Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of our channel where we bring you tips and techniques to make your life easier and better. The major part of your life is spent in school and studying. If you want to have a decent career in life, so studying should not be a chore or something that you hate. It should be an integral part of your life. But still, most of the students feel burdened by the very thought of studying. There are about 4 billion students all around the world, and each one has their own style of studying. Some study in groups, while some prefer studying alone. Some like to study in the morning, and some like to pull all-nighters. Everyone has been told that there is only one correct way of studying. And if you don't follow this method, then you are doomed to fail. But that's not true. There are infinite ways of studying, and all of them are correct as long as they work for you. But still, there are some techniques which are more effective than others. In today's video, we will be talking about the 4 best and most effective study techniques. Let's get started. Number 1, the Feynman Technique. This is one of the most effective study techniques, and it was developed by a Nobel Prize winner, Richard Feynman. According to him, the best way to learn something new is to teach it to someone else. So when you sit down to study, imagine that you are teaching the concept you are learning to someone else. This technique is highly effective because it forces you to simplify the complex ideas into simple language. It also helps you to identify the gaps in your knowledge. If you are able to explain a concept well, then it means that you have understood it correctly. But if you get stuck while explaining, then it means that you need to review the concept again. Number 2, the Pomodoro Technique. This is one of the most popular time management methods, and it can be used to minimize distractions and boost productivity. According to this method, you have to set a timer for 25 minutes and then sit down to study. You have to focus on your studies during these 25 minutes and not get distracted. Once the timer goes off, you can take a break of 5 minutes. After taking the break, you have to sit again for 25 minutes to study. This process is repeated again and again. The reason why this technique works so well is that it keeps you focused and prevents you from getting bored. Many students have increased their concentration level from 5 minutes to half an hour using this technique. Number 3, mind mapping. This is a very effective study technique, and it can be used to remember large chunks of information. In this technique, you have to create a map of the important points in a subject. You can start by writing the main topic in the center of a page and then branch out into subtopics. As you add more detail to your mind map, you can use different colors and symbols to make it more visual and engaging. Mind mapping helps you to organize your thoughts and ideas in a non-linear way. This technique is based on the way that your brain naturally processes information, and it can help you to improve your memory and understanding of a topic. Number 4, active recall. This is a very effective study technique, and it is based on the idea of retrieving information from your brain. When you are studying, you should not just read through your notes passively. Instead, you should try to actively recall the information from your brain. You can do this by asking yourself questions from your notes or by trying to explain concepts to yourself. Active recall helps you to identify the gaps in your knowledge, and it also helps you to remember information for a longer period of time. So these were the 4 best study techniques. Try them out and see which one works best for you. Also, you can use a combination of these techniques to make your study sessions more effective. So that's it for today, guys. We'll hope that you liked the video, and we will see you in the next one.